Hello, this is Chris Maynor, coming to you from the campus of Union University in Jackson, Tennessee. In this video, I would like to talk about the nuts and bolts of the class, that is, how the class actually works. I want you to know that I've put a lot of time, a lot of energy, and a lot of thought into designing this course. And throughout the process, my philosophy has been to keep it simple. Economics is hard enough as it is, and so I've tried to create a simple course format. Now, whenever an instructor designs a course, he or she has to address two important issues. One is how to deliver the course content, how to deliver the material, and the other is to how to evaluate students' understanding of that material. So we have two issues, delivery and evaluation. So let's look at the first aspect, the delivery of content. There are two primary sources of content for the course. One is the textbook. We'll talk about that in a later video. The other is the online lessons. Lessons are discussed on page 2 of your syllabus under Format and Procedures. Lessons, as defined by Moodle Rooms, are a linear set of content pages or instructional activities that offer a variety of paths or options for the learner. A simpler way of saying that is that lessons are just a series of pages. Each page contains either words or maybe videos or maybe some combination of both. You're actually in the middle of a lesson right now, so this is nothing new to you. You can see how easily lessons operate. You just simply proceed one by one throughout the pages that compose the lesson. Each week you'll work through a number of lessons on the assigned topic. You should think of these lessons the same way you would a classroom lecture. You want to take good notes. You want to repeat material that you find challenging. You want to ask questions on material that you don't understand. You want to take these lessons very seriously. Now, most of the lessons contain videos that either I've created or videos from sources such as Khan Academy. And so most of the videos are whiteboard or blackboard type videos, just very similar to what you're looking at right now. Again, lessons are one of the two primary content delivery methods for the course. So let's jump ahead and let's go into Moodle Rooms and let's take a look maybe at week 2. Week 2 deals with supply and demand, and you will see that in week 2 there are actually lesson 4, lesson 5, and lesson 6. So there are 3 lessons. And after the lessons, you will have a quiz over the material. So in week 2, after lessons 4 and 5 on supply and demand, then you have a quiz on those 2 lessons. Quizzes are anywhere from 5 to as many as 30 multiple choice questions. Quizzes are mainly for the purpose of self-evaluation. And what I mean is the quizzes are to help you evaluate your understanding of the material. You can take and retake quizzes as many times as you want. There's no time limit. Your quiz average is 15% of your grade, so there's no reason why everyone shouldn't have a perfect quiz score. Everyone should have a 100% for that component of your course grade. If you take a quiz and you make a 70%, that's a good indication you need to spend more time on that topic. And you certainly want to take the quiz over until you get a perfect score. So with quizzes, again, you can take them, retake them as many times as you want. There's no time limit, so you can take them in a relaxed setting. So again, looking at second week, after lessons 4 and 5, there's a quiz. And then you have a lesson number 6 on equilibrium, then a quiz on that topic. By the way, I'm in the teacher's, instructor's view. Your view will look a little bit different than this. And then at the end of that week's activities, you see that there's an examination. So there's 4 components of the course. There are lessons, quizzes, weekly exams, and the final exam. In the next video, I'll talk about exams.